Wonder why telephone poles last for decades, but your fence posts only last for a couple of years before they rot out? In this video, I'm going to show you how to treat your fence post or pole barn with the same treatment that the large electrical companies do with their telephone poles. And here's why it's a must-have. The product I'm going to be discussing about today is going to be called Post Preservative. Now, Post Preservative, I met them at the National Hardware Show.
99% of people have never seen this product.
And they went ahead and they sent me over a pack of 24 of their Post Preservative sticks that are here. And it's a complete kit that should be able to provide enough sticks for my pole barn. We're gonna go ahead and get started with that.
Tell me about the installation.
Super easy. Drill a 3/8 hole into the wood post, slide one of these Post Preservative directly into your 4x4 or 6x6 post. First thing you're gonna need is your tools. They recommend a 3/8 drill bit, and I just use a regular Phillips head screwdriver. And that's pretty much it. When you open up the package, it's really important to go ahead and read the directions here because it does have a direct information on how many sticks you would need for the size of wood that you're going to be drilling in. So I recommend that you take a look at it and you just have an idea of how to do it and the angle you drill into the wood. Now, my pole barn, I'm going to have 8x8 square poles that are going to be going up and supporting that. So the recommended amount of Post Preservative sticks that I'm going to be placing inside it is going to be 3. So let's go ahead and make sure I take a look and count them before I start work. Here's the pack of 24, and inside it you're also going to see the clip here that gives you the actual date of the actual installation. And you're going to get, once you drill the hole, you put the plugs in, okay? You're going to drill the hole and you're going to go ahead and put the Cobra plugs inside them. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and label in the metal plate that gives me the date in which I installed it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it right here. And just get my hole drilled in. It's supposed to be right at the level of where the ground is. I do have concrete already here and I didn't put it in there before. There's supposed to be 3 of them in here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit it at a 45-degree angle. Get as low as I can. Once you have that done, you're going to take out one of these Post Preservative sticks and you're going to go ahead and drop this in that hole. What that's going to do, it's going to protect this wood from insects, decay that'll cause a rotting of the wood. Should just slide right in there really easy. Back when they first started, they started using a lot of chemicals, and this was in the 1800s. They started incorporating kind of a little bit more eco-friendly type material. When you're done with that hole, you put inside this stick. It comes with a little plug. You take that plug, you go ahead and you pop it in, push it in there nice first. And it just completely screws in like that. There you go, that's a nice little setup right there. Check it out, Post Preservative. And I'll go ahead and have their link down in the description so you guys can check it out. Go ahead and take care of your investment with Post Preservative.